So whenever we are feeling anxious, there is a somewhere in the body there is a discomfort or pain, right? Or one any kind of you can say that disease is developing slowly because we all know that anxiety is nothing but imaginary fear. Suppose you have to give some exam or you have to go for a presentation. So in the mind, we are visualizing, "Nah, I'm failing or people are laughing. No, I'm not able to do it." तो जब भी हम ऐसे सिनेरियोज क्रिएट करते हैं अपने अंदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ विजुअल्स, वी ऑल नो दैट नाउ brain has a language, visual, auditory, and kinesthetics. So when we are creating internal visuals like this, distorted and negative visuals, we are creating anxiety in our brain. It can be from related to from past or of future because our mind cannot discriminate between reality and imagination. For our mind, for our brain, both are same neural pathways, they're activated. If you are imagining something कि मुझे कुछ हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ हो ना जाए, मेरे परिवार वालों को कुछ ना हो जाए, so mind is the same neural pathway is activated as if it is happening now. Yeah. Now, as we have seen, we are visualizing lemon and we can feel the taste of, we are salivating, we can feel the taste of lemon. Secondly, uh, our mind also responds to our no thoughts and emotions. If we think of past traumatic event, we feel the same emotional pain as if it is happening now. बहुत पहले कुछ हुआ था, any hurtful memory or somebody said something or you have uh, no, you had some failures in the past. अगर उसे याद करते हैं तो मन को लगता है कि जैसे वो अभी हो रहा है. That's why by using this quality of our brain, we can create a bright future. We can create beautiful relationships. We can create very good health. It is possible. As we all know that placebo effect. The placebo में क्या किया जाता था? Experiment was done. If the patient, no, he has firm faith in doctor. And this is my family doctor. जब ये दवाई देते हैं तो मैं ठीक हो ही जाता हूँ. And also have firm believer of no medicines. जो medicines बन रही है ना, बहुत बढ़िया medicine बन रही है. As soon as I will take it, I will recover. So instead of giving no real medicine, some sugar pills it was given, and the patient showed the same recovery as if though some very strong drug has given to him. And so thinking something good will create the confidence in us. We will go into resourceful state. But again, thinking something harmful, something bad, negative, what will it will create? It will create disruption of the health and also our focus, our productivity. So our thoughts, our emotions, they are very important. Now, it is up to us how do we use them for our advantage. तो ये जो गॉड गिवन पावर है, इसको इसका हम फायदा उठा रहे हैं या इससे हम अपने लिए नुकसान क्रिएट कर रहे हैं? This is in our hand because past is past. It happened once, and we all know that. Now we should have this understanding about this world. Nobody is perfect. And to err is human. And challenges, they are going to come. Challenges means people will not listen to you. They will not respect you. We, in spite of trying hard, we might get no failures. Now, sometimes our mind itself is troubling. We are not able to focus. We are procrastinating things. तो ये सब होने वाला है. इन सबसे बाहर निकलने का तरीका एक ही है. Have a aerial view. It's okay. These challenges are there, and I have power to resolve it by God's grace. Visualize success scenario, visualize your health scenarios, visualize what good happened in your life and ahead also. In the future also, good is coming. Start no letting go things. ये हो गया है ना, it's okay. It's okay. It is already past. It's over. Now I have unlimited healing power. I have realized my body can heal by itself if I do not interrupt through my negative thoughts and emotions. So reframe your negative thoughts each time you confront them. Reframe them, and trust me. And you deserve a beautiful life. Now, whether it is health, luxury, good relations, everything is possible. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. So in this meditation, we will visualize how through this waterfall. Water is coming from a waterfall, and we are going near to that waterfall, and we are standing below it. And how this water is cleansing all the negativity and all kinds of no pains, anxiety stored in our body. ना तो हम एक एक बॉडी पार्ट पे फोकस करेंगे एंड थ्रू वाटर ना those toxins they are getting cleansed. Okay, this is called anxiety healing meditation. So whether it is choked throat, butterfly in the stomach, gut issue, burning sensation, neck pain, shoulder pain, giddiness, everything which is psychosomatic, it can be resolved through this meditation. चलिए सिट कंफर्टेबली, आराम से बैठ जाइए. Close your eyes. अपनी आंखें बंद कर दीजिए. So let us focus on our breath. My voice is clear. Let me know in chat box. या आप अनम्यूट करके भी बता सकते हैं. If my voice is completely clear. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Take a deep breath in. Focus on your breath. पूरा ध्यान अपनी सांसों पे लेके जाइए. When you're inhaling, stomach is expanding. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, and stomach is contracting. Upon inhaling, deeply, deep breaths, not shallow one. Always recall yourself, remind yourself, I have to take deep breaths. जैसे आपकी सांसों की गति गति धीमी होती है, आपके मन की गति भी धीमी होती है. They both are closely connected. जब हम डीप ब्रेथ लेते हैं, गहरी सांसें लेते हैं, धीमी सांसें लेते हैं, अपने आप मन शांत और फोकस्ड होता है. Have focused breath, deep breath for 1 minute. डू इट ऑन योर पेस. जिस गति से आप कंफर्टेबल हो वैसा करते जाइए. Very good. Remind yourself, when we take slow, deep breaths, we are increasing our lifespan, longevity of life. Because tortoise, it takes 2 or 3 breaths, only 2 or 3 breaths in a minute. That's why he lives longer. And humans, they take around 7 to 8 breaths per minute. With practice, we can reduce the number. In this way, we can live long, healthy life. Very good. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. कीप योर आइज क्लोज्ड. अपनी आंखें बंद रखिए. क्योंकि जब हम अपनी एक्सटर्नल आइज बंद करते हैं, देन वी कैन सी थ्रू अवर इंटरनल आइज ना. फिर हम अपनी आंतरिक दृष्टि से देखना शुरू करते हैं इस दुनिया को. एंड इट डेवलप्स विजडम. Wisdom in life. Because until unless we are focusing on outer world, there's no question of creating, living with wisdom, or see this world through an aerial view, through your internal eyes. चलिए, focus on your body. Scan your body. You're completely comfortable. You are completely relaxed. Now let us remind of some fears, anxiety thoughts. ऐसे विचार लेके आइए जिनसे आपको एंजाइटी होती है. डू नॉट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू हैंडल देम. ब्रिंग ऑन योर फियर्स, एंजाइटी, एंशियस थॉट्स, दोस पिक्चर्स. आंख बंद करके उन चीजों को याद कीजिए. मे बी इन द पास्ट समथिंग हैपेंड, सम एक्सीडेंट, somebody is dead, some trauma, physical abuse, some cheating. And feel in your body, where in your body you are feeling discomfort. For someone's, it may be squeezing in the stomach. Someone, it may be heaviness in the chest. It is completely okay. Feel it. We are there to handle it. कहाँ फील होता है आपको एंजाइटी? थ्रोट, चेस्ट, बैक. क्या चीज आपको ट्रिगर करती है? किस चीज से आपको एंजाइटी होती है? Sometimes it may be automated. It's okay. Just one thing we want to find the location of this anxiety. It can be multiple areas in your body. Locate it. कहाँ कहाँ है वो? कहाँ कहाँ एंजाइटी स्टोर्ड है? Just observe. It can be something around your abdomen, burning sensation in the eyes, headache, shoulder, whatever it is there. Locate करना बहुत जरूरी है. Once we can locate our anxiety, we can completely remove it. तो जो भी हमारे एंजाइटी की लोकेशन है, वहां पे आपको एक शेप देना है. Similar to pattern break, which we did on Friday. Give that anxiety a shape. It can be multiple patches, maybe multiple places in the body. It's okay. कहाँ कहाँ बॉडी में वो एंजाइटी हो, उसे एक शेप दीजिए. गिव इट अ कलर. It can be any color. No judgments. Now, with these patches, with these locations, you are walking in a beautiful forest. Please visualize you are entering into a beautiful green forest. And this forest is completely safe. As you are walking down, you can see beautiful flowers, trees, sunrise, greenery. Visualize all these things. You are enjoying the Mother Nature's beautiful appearance. Birds are chirping. Now visualize as you are walking down, you can hear some waterfall sound. Little far away, there is a water sound. You are following that sound. आप उस साउंड के पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं. And after some distance, you can see a beautiful, very safe waterfall. The water is completely clean, divine. It's a holy water. A holy waterfall. The temperature is completely warm. It's neither cold nor very hot. It's early morning hour. And now you decide to step into this waterfall, which is perfectly safe and extremely beautiful. Just keep on visualizing. Now you are there. This divine and magical water is blessed by your favorite deities. जिन भगवान में आपकी बहुत बहुत श्रद्धा है, some universal power. This water is blessed now by your favorite god or deities or universe itself. Go inside. Now you have decided to remove or clean all these patches, anxiety patches in your body. As soon as this water is falling on your head, you can feel all the toxins, all the heaviness in the head is getting washed away. अगर आपके हेड एरिया में कोई पैचेस है, it is getting cleansed with this magical water. वो एंजाइटी आपके शरीर से निकल रही है. Because it is created by imagination, it can be resolved through imagination. Clean those patches, those colors. आप चाहे तो अपना आप हाथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Rub your head and clean those patches with the help of this divine water. You're clearing all that bad color forever. Even from your cellular level, deep down in your cellular level, any negative pattern it was there, it is getting cleansed, washed away. Divine healing energy is activated. It's healing your head. Wonderful. Now, as soon as this water is falling on your cheeks, on your chin, ears, your throat, your shoulder, your neck, it is cleansing completely, clearing any kind of toxins which are there, any kind of negativity which was stuck. Understand, you are divine. You are not this body. You are pure consciousness. You are not your thoughts. आप आपका शरीर भी नहीं है, आप आपका मन भी नहीं है, आप आपके विचार भी नहीं है. You are above this, a pure consciousness, and you have power to change. You have power to grow. You have power to evolve. Now, all these things are temporary. It was created because I didn't know how to handle them before. जैसे ही पानी आगे ना आपके शरीर पे पड़ता है, आपकी बैक, ना आपका चेस्ट, so much burden which I have created is taken away. Deep cleansing is activated. All the bad color of this anxiety is washing off, completely washed off. As soon as this water is falling on your abdomen, your gut bacteria, they are balanced. They're strengthening uh, your stomach, your liver, your kidney, intestine, spleen, all these organs, they are rejuvenating. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि आपका कायाकल्प हो रहा है. यू आर गेटिंग अ फ्रेश न्यू बॉडी. Same with the chest region, any kind of palpitation, they are settling down. I am completely safe because I understand I am a pure consciousness. I am divine. I have unlimited potential. As this water falls, the healing is activated on your cellular level, your genes, your DNA, your nerves, your arteries, they are getting open. You can breathe properly. There's a lot of space in your chest now. आप बहुत आराम से सांसें ले सकते हैं. Your lungs are feeling so relaxed and spacious because always keep reminding yourself, I am a pure being. I have a purpose in life. We are connected to all living entities. Now I started thinking beyond myself. I understand when I know this fact that my body is an instrument. It is completely healthy. I am completely healthy and fit, and I can do so many things. I have a proper routine. I do yoga because I understand this body is an instrument or temple of God. I have to take care of it. So now, with this waterfall, you are feeling as if you have taken a new birth. It's a new, fresh body. Your thighs, calf muscles, legs, arms, they are completely feeling rejuvenated. Muscles, any kind of tear and all those things is repaired. Any stress, fear which was accumulated over there, I'm releasing now. Keep on taking deep breaths. Now, so we are changing our neural patterns. Of maybe it was worrying about the future or something related to past, why this happened to me. I'm changing all those patterns. I'm not a victim, I'm a creator of my destiny. With God's grace, I can achieve good health, great success in my life. I have a purpose of life. Now scan your body from head to toe. Is there any patch left? Patches are left. Keep on washing off under this beautiful divine healing water. Now you have decided to come out with a grateful heart, blessed body, You are coming out from this waterfall. You are feeling extremely light, peaceful, completely healed, rejuvenated. This is your new version. ये आपका न्यू वर्जन है, न्यू अवतार. Yeah, which is completely empowered. Now remember your triggers again as you have come out from this waterfall. जो डर आपको पहले सताते थे, जो चीजें आपको पहले ट्रिगर करती थी, मे बी सम पास्ट इवेंट, somebody's face, somebody's sound, their behavior, or future worry. Check in your body. How are you feeling now? Keep your eyes closed and feel. Is there any discomfort or you are completely comfortable and relaxed because you understand your true nature? You're connected to yourself now. We all are. The original nature of the soul is Satchit Ananda, full of knowledge, eternal and full of bliss. And now you are completely ready to face any challenges in the life so far. एक कुछ भी अभी आपके सामने आ जाए, आप उसे आसानी से, बुद्धिमानी से, विजडम से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नॉट यू आर नॉट रिएक्टिंग. नाउ यू आर एबल टू रिस्पॉन्ड एंड हैंडल सिचुएशन wisely, calmly, and peacefully. Now visualize your future after 10 years of life from now. Where do you see yourself? आज से 10 साल बाद आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हैं? How is life? Visualize your good health, your victory, your beautiful relationship, financial abundance. You are the winner. You are the winner of your life. Feel those achievements as if it is already done. Visualize and feel. Understand, mind cannot discriminate between reality and imagination. As if it is done, it will start happening. ये सब कुछ हो चुका है. Your family members, maybe your children, they are grown up. If you are unmarried, you are getting married to a suitable, wonderful life partner. Your health is perfect, fit. You are jogging, doing yoga, doing so many things during the day. You have financial stability. You have multiple sources of income. You are contributing to the society, taking part in so many social activities, helping people. In return, you are getting so many blessings. Great. Take a deep breath in and internalize, integrate this beautiful future as if it is done. It's happening now. Tell yourself, thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Nature. Thank you, this waterfall, for giving me this opportunity to heal and grow. I'm blessed. I'm better than before. I'm ready now, ready for life. I'm bigger than my fears. I'm healthy, I'm energetic, I'm productive. I'm worthy. Just say thank you. Thank you. Slowly, slowly, you are coming out from the forest. Yeah. You are coming into this present moment. Rub your palms and all over your face and open your eyes. Let me know in chat box, how are you feeling? Could you do this entire visualization or there was any difficulty? बताइए. Wonderful. So each time when you take bath, visualize this meditation. When you are standing under this shower, as if all anxiety is washed off, going away, and rejuvenated. Best version of myself ready for the future. Great. Great. Thank you so much for joining in the morning. Today is Sunday. Many people they want to sleep little late, relax, but you took pain of getting up early and now you chose this transformation. Thank you so much. And have a nice, wonderful day ahead. Hare Krishna. So,